In this video, I'm going to show you how to check HP DeskJet 2900 series printer where the Wi-Fi is not working. In case you are trying to print something and your printer is not connecting with your device, it's not printing or scanning, then first we have to go to the printer to check it. On the control panel, look for the printer. If you see the flashing blue light, that's the wireless light, that means your printer is disconnected from the wireless network. So this can happen in case if you have recently changed the wireless network of your home, or if you have changed the password of your Wi-Fi network. And to correct it, you just have to do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer again. For that, you have to press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button all together. Release it. After 3 seconds, you will see the power light flashed once and the blue light will start to flash again. That means your printer is ready for the wireless setup. Go to your smartphone, MacBook or laptop and open the HP app. You can download this app from the App Store. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select first option, setup and connect a new printer. Launch setup. Wait for the printer to appear. Select HP DeskJet 2900. Click yes to connect to the Wi-Fi. If your smartphone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network, it will make the process easier. It will automatically select your Wi-Fi network. Click next. It can fill the password automatically. In case it's not connecting, it may ask you to enter the new password of your Wi-Fi. Setup is complete. We are connected with the Wi-Fi network again. Click done. Press the flashing I button on the printer control panel. For the privacy and policies, you can select accept all, or you can just click on the decline optional data. The setup will take few minutes and then we are ready to use the printer again. If you have a HP account, you can sign in or you can create a new account, or you can use the printer without that. Click on the skip account activation. Do not enable ink delivery, but you can do it later in the app. Skip offer. Auto updates and then click save. Skip printing page. Continue. And here is our printer with estimated level of ink. So if we look at the printer control panel again, we'll see the wireless light is stable. It's not flashing anymore. That means printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network and the printer's Wi-Fi is working. So this will help you to fix your printer where the wireless light is flashing. Thanks for watching.